Okay, I'm going to do another example of a decimal times a decimal because I feel like this one is the most confusing, especially to parents. This problem is 6/10 times 8/10, and I like to read it as 6/10 of 8/10. So if I have 6/10 of my 8/10, I have to start out with having 8/10. For example, if I gave a word problem to go with this, I might say Miss Pickles is going to eat 6/10 of Sarah's 8/10 of pizza. So first we have to have Sarah's 8/10 of pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and shade in 8/10 of pizza. So here's a tenth. All of these are tenths, and there's 8 of these. 8 out of 10, which is the same thing as 8/10. So I'm shading in blue how much pizza Sarah has. So Sarah has all of this. Now I'm going to eat 6/10 of the pizza that Sarah has, which is the 8/10. So looking at the amount of pizza that Sarah has, which is just this part, 6/10 can also be read and written as a fraction like this. So if this part outlined in red is what Sarah has and I get to eat 6/10 of it, I would first have to divide the pizza into 10 pieces, which is already done on the grid. So I'm dividing it into the 10 pieces since I lost the lines that were already there. So now I have 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I said I was going to get to eat 6/10. So with a different color, I'm going to shade in the part that I'm going to eat of Sarah's. So I'm going to eat, there's 1/10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the 10 slices that Sarah had. So the answer ends up being, I get the part that is in yellow and blue. So I get to eat 6 by 8 pieces, which ends up being 48 little bitty boxes. And those little bitty boxes are hundredths because there's 100 in the whole thing. So I get to eat 48 hundredths of a whole pizza, whereas Sarah only had 8/10 of the pizza.